Welcome to the weekly technical analysis series. The intention of this is to give you an idea about what is going on in the market and how to find good stocks to take a good position for a weekly swing based on the entire overview of the market. I'll be starting with a macroeconomic approach, but the entire series is based on a technical point of view. And इससे आपको 5 से 6 स्टॉक्स मिल जाएंगे जो आपको वीकली 4 से 5% रिटर्न देने की प्रोबेबिलिटी रखेगा. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ काइंड ऑफ impromptu session with no script and not much time on editing, so don't mind. I'll be communicating this in a very weak manner maybe, and this is going to be a lengthy video. तो शुरू करते हैं. Let's look at the risk-free rate of return that is available in the US stock market, which is the 10 years bond yield. So as we see, ये एक downtrend में है, तो this will encourage the investors to put their money in the stocks rather than going to the risk-free bonds, and this will increase the money flow in the stock market, in their stock market, right? So next we'll check the currency. US currency is also following a downtrend as we see, which means importing from US is cheaper, and this will help the businesses there, in turn helping the corporate profits in the economy. और ये काफ़ी evident है हमारे Dow Jones पे. So Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is going through a very long bull run with a support of 34,500. We can say 34,500 somewhere here is the support. 34,500 somewhere like where it is right now in the market, and a resistance of 36,000. A good news for the market. This is like kind of a good news for our market too. So whereas if you look at the crude oil has a bullish trend, which is not a great news for a consumer driven economy like us. It makes consumption costlier, driving the consumption down, in turn hampering the momentum in the market, and this might affect the momentum we are having in the market. Nifty looks to be quite strong in the bull run, but if the crude oil prices rise up okay above this level, see if this was the last high of the crude oil. So if this price has been incorporated in the market, so if the price breaches this line, then it will have a negative effect in the Nifty, in our stock market. So in Nifty has a resistance of 16,000 and a support of 14,500. Now let's look at the industries I have picked. Few of them are showing good bull run. Let's start with the Nifty Bank, which is a great industry for the past few weeks, and also very promising industry for the coming week, with a support of 3,400 somewhere here, 34,500, and a resistance of 36,000. I know the range is abnormally high, but so is the volatility. Then we'll be focusing on the IT stock. IT index for this week, it was like for the past few weeks, IT is outperforming, though the last few days, like I mean past few weeks it was in a range, but last week it was like showing a very promising move, very good strength, but the last day it had a lot of price rejection. The previous day also it had a lot of price rejection. So if it is able to cross this resistance, this supply zone, then the stocks in this sector will be on a run, and let's hope the IT sector does good, because a lot of thing depends on the IT sector. Like lot of our economy depends on the IT sector. So let's look at Nifty Auto now, which also is doing pretty good for almost 2 weeks. It is doing pretty good. So if it breaks this supply zone, this was a great supply zone here. So जो काफी सामने है, हम लोग देख रहे हैं काफी सामने है, तो ये सप्लाई जोन अगर कर पाएगा, क्रॉस कर पाएगा, तो ये भी काफी अच्छा मूव दे सकता है. तो ऑटो स्टॉक्स भी हमारे वॉच लिस्ट में होना चाहिए. देन द इंफ्रा सेक्टर व्हिच इज मूविंग अराउंड its all-time high, and if this is able to cross the this zone of this, there was a lot of supply here, we can see a lot of selling here, and if it is able to cross this zone, though we had a lot of price rejection on the last Friday, we'll be able to gain a lot from infra stocks. Then let's look at Nifty Media, which is also a great sector with tremendous strength. So infra stocks will be included, media stocks will be included. Okay, so now the first stock is Grasim Industry. If this Grasim Industry is like the star stock for since March 2020 now, which looks highly probable, like this resistance will be broken, so very high probability of this breaking. So we have very little price rejection here, and plus the strength also looks very good. We can buy this, we can enter this around 1490 and exit it around 1720. It will be a good risk to reward with a stop loss of 1409. So then we'll look at Adani Port, which, like all other Adani stocks, are on a great run for the entire year. And if this breaks out of this triangle, then it can go up to the price it was trying to reach right before the second wave of COVID hit the news. We can enter somewhere around 795 and exit at 885, stop loss around 749. This also has a good risk to reward ratio of 2.09. Then we can look at Shalimar Paints, which also had a great strength. It can be bought around 123 somewhere, see, like 120, 123. If it breaks this supply zone, let's pull it somewhere here. This supply zone, 120. This is not going up. Somewhere here. If this supply zone is crossed, then we can buy it at 123 with a target of 146 and a SL of 116, giving this a risk reward ratio of 2.71, which is tremendous. Now let's look at Coforge Limited, which is moving around its all-time high and has a very good strength. It can be entered around 3580, exit at 3740, and a stop loss of 3500. Risk to reward ratio of 1.87. It is lower than the other stocks, but it has a very high probability of breaking out. It's on a very good bull run. We can see this pattern forming. Like there is one more pattern in this. The down move here wasn't that low, so it can break. So the last stock is Tech Mahindra with a very high risk to reward ratio, but lower probability of breaking out. But we need to add this in the watch list with the entry of 1040 and a target of 1215, stop loss of 1000, which is enormous, and because the risk to stop loss is not that great, but the risk to reward ratio is enormous, like very low stop loss and a very high exit. Only 40 rupees stop loss and an exit of almost 180, something like that. So for 4.73% risk to reward ratio, but it has lower probability of breaking out. So these are the stocks for this week. Keep it in your watch list, and money management is the key. I'll be updating you guys with the money management thing throughout the week. So look for that also. And that's it for this video. Signing off, Saptarshi Das. Thank you.